Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jamhuria's Homemade Food. Today I'm gonna make chicken Alfredo. The ingredients for this recipe are 5 pounds of chicken breast, 1 onion, half a bunch of parsley, 8 to 9 mushrooms, 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of heavy cream, half a tablespoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of salt, oil, Parmesan cheese, and paprika, a box of noodles, and garlic. First, I'm gonna cut the chicken into small pieces. My chicken is ready. I'm gonna add cooking oil into the pot and then add the chicken on top. Cook this in a medium heat for about 8 to 9 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, I'm gonna cut my vegetables. This chicken Alfredo recipe is very easy to make. It's a one-pot dish. It's very creamy, and with all the fresh vegetables and herbs that you add, it's very flavorful. The chicken is done, it's fully cooked. I'm gonna add the onions and the garlics on top of the chicken. Mix it very well. And then I'm gonna add half a tablespoon of salt and half a tablespoon of black pepper. Mix it very well. Cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the mushrooms on top of that. Cook this for another 3 minutes. Add 2 cups of milk and 2 cups of heavy cream. Mix it very well. Bring it to a boil. Add about half a teaspoon of paprika. Mix it very well. Then add the noodles on top. Add a handful of fresh chopped parsley on top. Mix it very well. Put the lid on and cook this for about 8 to 9 minutes on a medium heat. The chicken Alfredo is ready. It looks very creamy. I'm gonna plate it. I sprinkle a little bit Parmesan cheese on top and then garnish my plate with fresh chopped parsley. The chicken Alfredo is ready. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate your support.